From Dubai. Today we are making racing turtles. First we're gonna draw a turtle. We're gonna put the plate in the cardboard and start to trace it. We have a perfect circle. Now we're gonna draw the head, legs, and the tail. This is what the turtle looks like. Now we'll make the second one. Our turtles are ready and now it's time to cut them and decorate them. We cut some colored paper and now we're gonna glue it. Now we're gonna cut the straw. I'm gonna cut 2 small pieces. Now I'm going to stick them to the turtles. We're gonna need a scotch tape. Now we'll need 2 long pieces of string and tie it to the chair. We will put another end of the string inside the straw. Turtles in starting position. Ready, steady, go! 1, 2, 3. Turtles is the winner. Let's do it again.